What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video I would like to do this problem with you guys, finding the integral of the sine 5x function here. But before we start, you can pause this video and try to do this problem here, and let's see if you're going to get the very same answer as the one that I'm going to get at the end of this video. Now if you're new on this channel, I would say subscribe to the channel, and when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you can able to be notified about the new video. Alright guys, so let's do this problem here. Now before you do this problem, you need to know your trigonometric integrals. So if we still remember, when you have the trigonometric integral for sine, which is going to be sine n, remember n is a coefficient of x, then dx there. So the integral of sine is negative cos nx divided by n plus c. Let us not forget guys, we are doing indefinite guys, right? Indefinite integrals. Oh yes, we're doing indefinite integrals. So this c stands for the constant and also indicates that we're doing indefinite integrals. Guys, if it so happens that you don't remember this, because I made a video where I explain or I show the integral of trigonometric ratios, go to this video that will pop up here and watch that video. Okay, now let's do it guys. So as you can see, our n here is 5. So when we find our integral here, it's very simple. It's going to be negative cos 5x divided by 5 plus c. That is our final answer guys. That is our final answer. Alright guys, I hope you understood this one. It was very straightforward, and I hope you will share this video to your friends. And if this video helped you understand better, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel as well. I've made videos on other chapters. You can go and watch those videos on the playlist section. At the end of this video though, there will be a playlist that pop up there. Click to that video, click to that playlist to watch the other trigonometric function that we are integrating. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.